Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to withdraw your BNB coin on your Trust wallet. So if you wish to withdraw your BNB on your Trust wallet, this is what you have to do. You have to look for your BNB from the crypto option after launching your Trust wallet on your device. Okay, then the next thing you have to do is to tap on, we have 5 options here. You can send, receive, swap, buy and sell your BNB, but what you're going to type on is on send, because you want to withdraw it from your Trust wallet. So there are things we are supposed to do. The first one is to enter the address that we're sending the BNB to, and the next one is to enter the amount that you want to send. So I'm going, for this video I'm going to be using Binance Exchange to teach about how to withdraw the money. But what I have to do now is to go to my Binance app. So on your Binance app, what you have to do is to tap on your wallet. This is my Binance app. So when you tap on your wallet, you just have to tap on deposit. So on deposit, you just have to search for BNB. So what you have to do here is to choose BNB and Smart Chain B20, because that's what you want to transfer. That's what you want to withdraw from the other, from Trust wallet. So you just have to make sure that you are using same network on your Binance and also on your Trust wallet. Please don't use different network, because if you use different network, you are going to lose your phone. So the next thing you have to do here is to copy the address, and take note there is no memo in Trust wallet, and likewise the Binance app there is no memo for BNB Smart Chain. So the next thing we have to do here is to head straight to our Trust wallet app. So on my Trust wallet app, I just have to paste the address that I copied and enter the amount that I want to withdraw. So if I enter the amount, I just have to tap on next, confirm my transaction, and immediately it's going to take place. It does not take too much time. It takes maximum of 2 minutes. Every transaction on this will be completed. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.